Hey, yeah, it's me, Natalie, on that. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. If you do, my name's Natalie and I like doing nails reviews, hauls, anything and everything to do with nails. And this one is a Sparkles. So I've got a few things on in here. Now I've doubled up on a couple of things, but before we do that, I will just do that to show you all Lorraine's socials. She's on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and that's her website, sparklesupply.co.uk. Yeah, fantastic. Love Sparkles. So I got a few things that I've doubled up on. So I got this. It's called Torty. So I got two of those. I'm keeping one, and one's going to Nana Ange. Hopefully Nana Ange will get this before I put this video out. I've got her some diamond dust. If there's anything you get from Sparkles, get this. It's absolutely good. This is fantastic for Christmas, this diamond dust. What else did I get? I'm trying to think. I got this, because I've already got this. Golden Hearts, this one. This is going in. I got this Unicorn Magic. I've got one of them. That's going in. This, Cherry Ripe. That's going in. I got this for myself, which is called Glam. I got this one, which is... No, that's going in. That's Glam. I got that for myself. So can you see I've doubled up on a couple of things. Now I got this, I haven't used it before. I've never had this. This isn't going in, this is for me. It's a very fine wire. And I just don't know what to use it for. I'm going to try it on the nail. I'll assume other people have used it, but it's really, really fine. Believe it or not, Dominic restores cartridges that play music on turntables, and the cartridges, some of them are very expensive, and the wire that he uses is thinner. Is hers thickness is thinner than this stuff. I don't know how he does it. I really don't know how he does the work that he does. He works under a microscope, but it's incredible. And I think it's going to be fun, this, because I think this is really fine. Look how fine that is. But the stuff that Dominic uses is like half the thickness of that. So yeah, I just don't know how he does it. But I don't know. I'm going to find something to do with it. I don't know what. But I've not. I think you could probably put it around a nail, something like that. You know, we'll see. But if you've got any suggestions, any of you ladies who watch my videos who do nails as well, if you've got any suggestions for this, can you let me know in the comments, because I'm very intrigued. So I got that. But the last thing I haven't got this, and again I got two of, was these. One's going in Nana Ange. It's BP146 and it's all skulls. I thought this is ideal for Halloween. Yeah, really cool. Really, really nice. I like that. So that's that. Those three are mine. Them are going in. And then, like I say, I've got quite a few things still that I've doubled up on that I've not put in Nana Ange's because they're for the next person. So I'm gonna send this off to her. So hopefully, like I say, she'll have the other bits and these. It's not that. By the time I put this video up, well, she might not actually, because I'll probably put my video out on Tuesday. Yeah, she won't have, because this is only going out. This is only going to her next week. But you know, there's things in there. Well, let's see. But yeah, that's what I got from Sparkle Supply. But it's really good. And if you do use Sparkle Supply, I do have a discount code NFM15 for 15% off. Yeah, there's that. And if you're not subscribe. Hope you come back again. Thanks for clicking on the video. I know you're all doing well. I'll see you next time. Bye.